Hello, detailer. I heard you noticed water spots on your car. Gosh, that's a pity. I bet you tried all the life hacks from TikTok to remove them, right? And still no result? Correct? Well, I'm not surprised as water spots on car paint are not as simple as they may look. Let's get into it so you will know what is a water spot and how to deal with it. Get comfortable, hit the like button, and let's start.
Welcome to Hold My Beer Detailing.
Most car owners even don't know about water spots. Nobody even talks about such a threat. Knowing how easy you can get them and how hard to remove them, you should get at least a brochure on avoiding water spots each time you buy a car. Your neighbor can accidentally splash some water on your car while watering the lawn. You can get distracted during car wash and let hard water get dry on your car. Or in some areas, water is so clean that you even get water spots from rain. And some of you may say now, so what? I did it many times and nothing has happened. Well, maybe, but it's only because you have a white car and you don't see them. Trust me, right now, black car owners are still stressed because of neighbors and the lawn. However, before you get too paranoid, water spots are pretty easy to avoid by following simple precautions. But to fully understand and use such precautions, we need to understand what are the water spots and how they appear. Water spots are mineral deposits that are left behind when water evaporates from your car's surface. They typically appear because of hard water, which contains high levels of minerals like calcium and magnesium. In real life, you can notice them in direct sunlight or with a good flashlight. There will be raindrop-sized spots with white edging. You may also notice them while drying your car, as they become more visible when they are a bit wet. And in the same way, you may find them even on car glass during rain. Without removing water spots immediately, they can become a permanent fixture on your car's surface.
Too late. I'm already a part of the shit.
The minerals in the water can actually etch into the clear coat and even the base coat, leaving behind a blemish that will not be removed even by polishing. In addition, water spots can also make the paint's surface appear dull and lackluster, detracting from its overall appearance. Before moving to water spot removal and prevention, you need one thing for a better understanding. And I'm talking about car paint structure. I'm sure that you already know that modern car paint has several layers. So if you look at a side cut of the car body panel, you will see a metal, primer, base color, and clear coat. However, I'm sure that you imagine a clear coat to be like a glass or some glaze that covers the base coat completely and protects it from all the hazards. Well, it's not. Under a microscope, you will see that car paint has pores like our skin. To be more exact, I would describe a clear coat as a sponge, but with hard fibers. It means that the base coat is always breathing, and clear coat gets wet and then dries each time you wash it or get caught in the rain. And now you start to understand how you can see water spots that seem to be on the top of your clear coat. But at the same time, polishing cannot remove them. It's all because of clear coat's structure. What you see, it's just the tip of the iceberg. The main part of your water spots hides deep inside your clear coat. And your main goal is to remove them before they reach base coat, as then these contaminants will change color forever. Also, because of such a sponge structure, when you use, for example, some water spot remover on old spots, you don't get any results. This product may have removed some contaminants, but it made it only on the top. The deeper part of the water spot remains untouched. So how to deal with old water spots when even water spot remover can't beat them? So let's think logically. Knowing that the clear coat works as a hard fiber sponge, we need to fill this sponge with some chemicals to remove calcium and magnesium deposits. What are these chemicals? Most water spot removers are acidic, so an acid shampoo will be a great helper in removing old water spots. It dissolves calcium and magnesium and can get deeper inside a clear coat as you pour lots of foam, which is usually more liquid than most of water spot removers. But don't think that one acid wash will break all the contaminants. Unfortunately, it's not a fast and easy way. Contaminants that have been building on your car several years may require weeks to be dissolved. It means that you should constantly and step by step fight with them. Use water spot removers and acid shampoos in combo. First, wash your car with acid shampoo, then rinse it thoroughly with soft water. Dry it and leave it in direct sunlight for 15 minutes so the clear coat can dry completely and all the water spots will become more visible again. Then cool the surface and apply water spot remover following the instructions. You can find the link to the best water spot removers in the description. After application, it may look like your car is spot-free now and you have removed all water spots, but more likely when your car dries completely, you will see them again. Don't get upset as you know it is not an easy way. I wouldn't recommend repeating this process several times during one day, as so much acid will be a stress for a clear coat too. You can repeat the same process, for example, the next week. And like this, during 1 month, you will be able for sure to remove most of your water spots. Of course, those spots that were not removed even after a month are considered as spots that reached base coat and They won you in this battle, but accept it as an adult man. You can't win all the battles. Now we can get into the prevention part. These advices I would provide as a brochure for each car, as they are simple and can help you avoid water spot removal headaches. The first advice appears based on our knowledge about clear coat structure. If we know that its sponge structure allows hard water to get inside and leave calcium and magnesium, why not cover these pores and stop water from entering the clear coat? That is a reasonable question, and that is the exact reason car enthusiasts use car wax and ceramic coatings. They cover these pores, which creates a water-beading effect, and water cannot get inside and just slides off. So the first advice is to make your car paint hydrophobic, so you will not get water spots without water. The second precaution is also simple. You should avoid water spots appearance. It's maybe too obvious, but not every car owner keeps that in mind. So for example, when you wash your car, don't forget about the last spot-free rinse on a self-service car wash, or dry your car immediately if you wash your car with hard water. As well, pay attention to places where you park your car. There are so many cases when people parked their cars and then pop-up watering systems started watering lawns and overspray the car with hard water. So when the car owner returns in several hours, he already can enjoy tough water spots. The third precaution is for the cases when you fail to use the first two precautions and some water spots appear on the car paint. Your main goal here is to remove them as soon as possible. On the same day you notice such spots, go and make an acid car wash. Check the paint surface. If spots are remaining, use water spot remover. Don't let the contaminants get deeper into the clear coat. I'm sure that if you acid wash your car the same day you have water spots, it will be spot-free after you finish washing. Hope this video helped you to take water spots seriously, and at the same time, less scared of them, as now you know all the necessary information about the appearance, removal, and prevention of water spots on your car paint. Leave your questions in the comments, follow this channel, and have a lovely detailing, folks.